Jyothi, taking maths for the course 10. So, today we are taking the revision for the SA1 exams. SA1 exams revision is SA1 exam is on 29th of this month. So, after completion of the portion of the first semester, for we have to get the prepared for the examination. So those who have not taken revision papers, you have to take the revision papers as soon as possible. So it is easy to practice in home. It consists all the subject revisions. So those who have not taken, please today come and collect the revision papers. So in previous class, you understood about the first bit of the fill in the blanks. So previous class teacher has explained about the fill in the blanks in the first bit. So today I am going to take the slip test on the revision 1 fill in the blanks. Before taking the slip test, I will explain all the bits once again so you can understand the themes. So how you have to write the in examination. What is the theme in this? Fill in the blanks. So it is easy to understand. So first bit is we have fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here the first number is 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. So it is in expanded form. After seeing this one, is in expanded form. This one you have to write in the short form. So you have to write in the short form. Sometimes the numbers in the places may be skipped. So you should be careful how many digits number is consists. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. So it is 5-digit numbers. So answer should be in the 5-digit numbers. Sometimes they will skip the places, means 0 will come in any places. That time you have to see carefully, and that place you have to add 0 in that place. This is all 5-digit numbers. So first is 70. 5,000. In 1,000 place, you will take two numbers together. This is 10,000. This is 1,000 place. So together we have to take as 75,326. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit numbers we have. Example, sometimes what they will do, 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 40 plus 9. So one more example I am giving you. This is 5-digit okay. Here 80,000, 4,000, 40 and 9. Which number is not here? Here ones is there, tens is there. Here skip the number is in 100 place. So 84,000 after you have to give 0, then we have to go for the 49 number. So 5-digit number we got here. So 84,049. Here 100 place not given any number. So that place you have to put the 0. So observe the number, then we have to write the numbers. So this is about the expanded form. The second one is 54,930, 54,940, 54,950, and this is dash. Observe first these numbers. then you will have to write the next number. Here this is the skip counting. You learned about the skip counting of 1, 2, 5, 10, 100, before, after, like this skip counting you have to learn. So here 54,930. Here all 54, 54, 54 is in the thousands place. So next number they are changing here. 930, 940, 950. So what the number should be next one? 54,960. This is the skip counting. So 30, 40, 50 and 60. Sometimes they will change in 1000 place or 100 place, tens place or 1 place. Any number they will skip and write first. First you have to observe two numbers, then you will get the idea about the next number. Suppose the number is 72,100, 72,200. So what is the next? So observe these two numbers. 72 after 100, 72,200. So what is the next number? It is 72,300. Here the number is in skipping in hundreds. 100, 200, 300. So you have to observe the numbers, then you write the answer. Second number. Next, third one is 34,780 is rounded as 35,000. Rounded as rounded off to the nearest dash. So here 34,780 is nearest rounding of the numbers. As you know, we will round up to nearest tens, 100 and 1000. So 34,780 is rounded as 35,000. So because it is nearest to 1000. So nearest to tens, 100 and 1000. More than or less than 5. We have learned about this. Less means we have to come before left number. More means we have to go to the next tens. Same this is follows in nearest tens, nearest 100 means 50 or less than 50 means we have to come here back, and more than 50 means we have to go to the next 100. So this is about the rounding of numbers. This is rounding of numbers. Next is about the greatest 5-digit number. The greatest 5-digit number is dash. Number is dash. So how many numbers they are asking? What is this one? Greatest or smallest? You have to check first. Greatest 5-digit number. Which are the greatest and smallest? You have learned 1 to 9 or 1-digit numbers. 1 is smallest and 9 is greatest. Same, you have 10 and 99. 100, 999. 1000, 9999. Then 10,000, 9. You have learned about the greatest and smallest number. 1 to 9 all are the 1-digit numbers. Where we can get the 1 is smallest 1-digit number, 9 is greatest 1-digit number. So they have asked here 5-digit numbers. Greatest number is 99,999. depend upon the smallest and greatest. We have to change the number here. We have to see the number whether they have asked smaller or greater. Small means 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Like this all depend upon the digits we have to change. Greatest number 9, 99, 399 like that. So this is the greatest and smallest digits number. Suppose the greatest 4-digit number means 4-digit number is only 4 numbers. 9,999. 3-digit means 3 means 999. 2 means only 99. 1 means only 9. These are all the greatest numbers. So opposite this we have the all smallest numbers. 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3, 4, 5, 6. So depend upon this we have to change the number here. So next one is the smallest. As I told, the smallest 5-digit number. 5-digit number is dash. So these are the 5-digit numbers greatest. So smallest you have to see. As I told, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. So according to this, we have to change the numbers in the filling the blanks. So next is sixth one. 36 24 into 0 is equal to dash. Seventh one. 98 236 into 1 is equal to dash. What are the properties? You can remember as the properties of multiplication. So what is the multiplication property? Any number multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. So any number, not only this number, any number multiplied by 0, the product will be always 0 only. Multiplier and product. Multiplication, you learned about this. So these are the properties of multiplication. So say 98,236 into 1 is 98,236. What is the property? What is the formula? Any number multiplied by 1, the product will be remains same number. You will get answer same number. For example, 5 into 0, 0. 60 into 0, 0. So any number multiplied by 0 will get the answer as our product as 0. So say any number multiplied by 1, the answer will be same number. So 100 into 1, answer is 0. The product is 0. Any number multiplied by 1, the answer will be the same number. So next one, 8 1. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. So any number for 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. 1 7s are 7. So number, what the number we are dividing, same number we will get. This is the properties of division. Then any number divided by itself is 1. Any number reverse. Any number, a number divided by itself is 1. Any number divided by itself is 1. So last 10th one, 100 divided by 10 is equal to, answer is 10. You can do the division. 10 tens are 100. So the answer is 10. So in division we have dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So this is the properties of division. Next, 11th and 12th. 11th one is, it is about the multiplication tables. Line names are 72. We will change the numbers. So you have to thorough about the multiplication tables. If you know the multiplication tables, it is easy to find out the answer. So next one is 10 into 4 is 40. So this all included all the chapters, fill in the blanks. Understand? I think all I have explained about these numbers. Now I will change all the numbers. In the test you will not get the same numbers. So same pattern will be there. You have to learn the properties and multiplication tables. It is easy to write out the answer. So on this beat, fill in the blanks. Today I will take the slip test. You write it in your classwork or homework. Any last page you put today's date and write today's slip test. So put today's date. Date is 16/10/21. So slip test number 1 and write the date. Slip test number 1. So what I explained today, I have explained about all the fill in the blanks. All 12 fill in the blanks I will give now with the different numbers. So start with the fill in the blanks. Okay, start. First one, 3,400 plus 79. See this? It is in, as I explained, 80,479. It is in expanded form. Write the answer in the box. Now second one, skip counting. 38,400, 38,500, 38,600, dash. Third one, the greatest rounding of the numbers. So 82,500 is 80,000. Rounded off to the nearest dash. Fourth one, the smallest The smallest three digit number is dash. The smallest three digit number is dash. Fifth one, the greatest two digit number is dash. Sixth one, 7,700 into dash is equal to 0. So first we will copy all these 6, then I will do the next bit. First one, expanded into short form, skip counting, rounding off, smallest 3-digit number and greatest 2-digit number, and 7,000 into dash is equal to dash. So what number? I will give the 5 minutes and write down the answers. So later we will check the answers. I will give you 5 minutes. So write all these, all 6 first, then I will go for the next 6. Fill in the blanks. Write down all first. So what is the answer first one? Write down in the box. Then I will go for the next. Before writing, you write down all the numbers one by one. Then lastly I will give the answers and you have to check your answer and my answers. If your answer is wrong, you have to write that one 3 times as a follow. After writing all 12, you write that number 3 times. So what is the number here? 83,479. So write this one, 83,479. If your answer is correct, you put right mark like this. If your answer is correct, put correct here. So totally you have 12 numbers. You have the 12, fill in the blanks. So next one is what this one? 38,400, 38,500, 38,600. So what is the next number? It is in skip counting. 400, 500, 600. Next is 700. So this is 38,700. If your answer is correct. If wrong means you put it as wrong. Follow this so you can practice. So next one is 82,500 is rounded as 80,000. So it is thousands, nearest to thousands. It is rounding as thousands. 10,000, sorry, 10,000, 80,000. The smallest 3-digit number, as I told, smallest 3-digit number is 100. This is the smallest 3-digit number. Greatest 2-digit number. Which is the greatest number? Greatest number is 9. So you have to write 2 times. Means it is a 2-digit number. So what is the formula? This is 7,000 into 0. The answer is 0. The multiplication property, any number multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Sometimes they will give gap here, or sometimes you will get the gap here. So understand the property that you mentioned. So it is a 70,000 into 0 means the product will get 0. So this is first step, 6 beats. So we'll move for the next step, second remaining fill in the blanks. Seventh one into dash is equal to 500. Eighth one, any number divided by 1 the quotient is dash itself. The quotient is dash itself. Ninth one, a number divided by itself. Itself by is dash. Tenth one, 70 divided by 10 is equal to dash. 6 4s are dash. 12th one, 10 into 8 is equal to dash. So all 12 fill in the blanks I have covered here. So write this one next. Continue this number. 500 into dash is equal to 500. Any number multiplied by what number? 1. So the answer is 1. 500 into 1. 500 ones is 500. If your answer is 500, write the correct tick mark here. So any number divided by 1, the quotient is number itself. The answer is number itself. A number divided by itself is by 1. Any number is divided by 1. So 70 where you will get? Divide this number. 70, 10. 10 sevens are 70. The answer is 7. 6 fours are multiply. 6 fours are 24. 10 eights are 80. So I have taken all the different numbers. If you don't know the answer, you can do the rough. You can do the rough, then you have to find out the answer and write it. If your all answers are correct, you will get 12 out of 12 marks. So check it the answers. I will give you 5 minutes. If your wrong answer, put wrong. For wrong answer, you have to write what you want to write. For wrong answer, follow up will be 3 times. Suppose this you have written wrong, this you have written wrong. So same with the question and answer, you have to write it in 3 times. So I have completed this first bit in the slip test number 1, revision for the S7 exam. So like this you will get the numbers with the different numbers. Check out the answers on this answer. We go for the next beat. Put like this number, marks 12 out of 12. if your all answers are correct. Suppose your answer is wrong, you have to write the wrong answers as 3 times. Anywhere you can write. In classwork pages are there means back side you can write. Put today's date, slip test number 1, fill in the blanks. Then you copied all the 12, fill in the blanks. Then you write and wrong answer you have to practice 3 times. Follow work you have to do in the same book. So next bit is statement are the following true or false. So we'll go for the next bit. So this one you will follow and show to me whenever you will complete this one. You show this one slip test. So we'll go for the next bit. Second one, state whether the following are true or false. First one, 2,802 is greater than 2 lakh 802. Second one, is 10. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. Number itself. Actually this number is take this one here 2,802. This is 2,820. Later we will check this one. So printed same numbers. So it is true. It is true. So when we are writing the Roman numbers, we will not write this VV. Instead of double V, we will write 10 for the S. So this is false. So in Roman numerals, what is the rule? V should not be repeated. So we will write this 10. 10 will indicate yes. So is false. For 10 we have to use yes. So BV is equal to 10 is a false. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. This is the property of division. So it is correct. 0 is divided by any number is always 0. So next one is fourth one, 0 divided by any number is always 1. False. If any number divided by 0, the answer what? The answer is 0. So here what given? Given 1. So the statement is false. Any number 0 is divided by 0 means any number will get the answer as 0, not 1. So this is false statement. One is factor of all numbers. Fifth one is factor of all numbers. This is true. So all tables we will get 1. When we will start the factorism, we will get 1. So every factor will start by 1. For example, any number, so finding the factor of 4 will start from 1. 1 4s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. So any number you multiply, but we will get 1. Every number will be get by 1. So 1 is factor of all numbers. All tables starting from 1. So all numbers will get in 1 the table. So 1 is factor of all numbers. So this statement is true. Next is all the odd numbers are the prime number. Sixth one, a prime number is always even. A prime number is always even. Only we get the prime numbers, we will get both numbers. In prime number, we will get odd number also and even number also. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which divided by the same numbers. So prime numbers and composite numbers. We learn the composite numbers and prime numbers. Here we will get the odd numbers also and even numbers also. For example, so it is the false. So we will get both the numbers. Prime numbers are the both odd and even numbers. All the odd numbers are the prime numbers. Wrong. So all the same reason. All the odd numbers are the prime numbers. Here also we get the odd and even numbers. We will get all the odd odd numbers are prime numbers because 6 is a prime number, but it is not a 6 prime numbers and odd numbers are the prime numbers. Both numbers we will get. Tomorrow I will give all the 1 to 50 prime numbers. In that we will get both odd and even numbers. In that we will check. Multiplier and product. Multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. It is true. So in all we will have we will get in the multiplication. This is the terms we will use in multiplication. What are the terms we are using? We are using multiplicand, multiplier and product. For example, 7 8s are 56. So in this we have this is multiplicand, this is multiplier and this is product. The answer is product. This is we are getting in the multiplication. Same we have in the subtraction and division and addition also. So what we have in subtraction and addition? So all four. First is multiplication. Multiplication what we have? Multiplicand into multiplier and product. In subtraction we have minus minus subtrahend. The answer is difference. Where we will get this is in subtraction. We will get in subtraction. In addition, what we will get? First added plus second added is equal to what? We will get sum of. The answer we will get sum of. Say in division we have dividend, divisor is equal to quotient. And one more we will get is remainder. We will get in remainder in division. These all are the four options. What terms we will get in each operations. First is multiplication, subtraction, addition, then division. So in these four, these are the terms we are using. So multiplicand, multiplier, product. Minimum, subtrahend, difference. The answer between two numbers is called the difference. First added level. In addition, you will get the two numbers. Two numbers are added. So first number added, second number added. Then after that, you will get the sum of numbers. That answer is called the sum of two numbers. In division, we have dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. So here one more extra remaining number is called the remainder. Dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. These four you understand means you can write true or false. The statements you can write the true or false. So next is do as directed. So next class we will take flip test on the true or false. So today we have completed 2 bits from the revision, S7 revision. 2 bits we have completed. First is fill in the blanks. Next is True or false. So true or false, fill in the blanks I have taken slip test number 1. So next we will take the whether the statements are wrong or false, true or false. So in next class I will take who has directed, I will explain, and true or false I will take the script test. So till that you practice all the revision bits in the classwork or homework. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.